welcome back to the weekly update from Tinseltown. From Kangana Ranaut hitting the headlines for all the wrong reasons to Jaya Bachchan schooling those who are trying to tarnish the image of the entire Bollywood film industry, this week will go down as one of the roughest weeks in the history of Bollywood. So without further ado, let's get started. Can you believe it has already been 3 months since Sushant Singh Rajput passed away? To make the world a bit better, the actor's fans got together to bring an environmental change by planting thousands of saplings in honor of the late actor. Sushant Singh Rajput's US-based sister Shweta Singh Kirti had initiated hashtag plans for SSR, and it received a lot of support from the fans. Along with Sushant's ex-flame Ankita Lokhande, Sushant's friends Mahesh Shetty and Mukesh Chabra also took part in the initiative. And to honor the late actor, a sculptor from West Bengal created a wax statue in Sushant's memory. Political correctness seems to be the need of the hour. Rakul Preet Singh headed over to the Delhi High Court to appeal against a media trial she has been put through since word began doing the rounds of her involvement in an alleged drug investigation in the ongoing Sushant Singh Rajput case. The court took a note of her grievances and issued notice to the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Prasar Bharati, News Broadcasters Association and Press Council of India against unsubstantiated reports against her. Amid turmoil going on in the industry, veteran actress and MP Jaya Bachchan took a stand against those who are trying to tarnish the image of the entire Bollywood film industry. Without naming anyone in particular, Jaya ji spoke on the second day of the monsoon session in Parliament and didn't hold back when she said that people in the entertainment industry are being flogged on social media and people who made their names in the industry have called it a gutter. After Jaya ji's speech, Kangana Ranaut decided to step in and share her valuable inputs. Firing away in a series of tweets, Kangana even dragged Shweta Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan's name in this tiff. As this brawl between Jaya ji and Kangana continues, Urmila Matondkar came forward and slammed the Queen actress for disrespecting Jaya Bachchan. But what followed next was a bit unexpected. Kangana made some rather controversial remarks that did not sit well with the netizens. In one of her many statements, she called Urmila a softcore actress, and this comment left the netizens furious, and the film industry came forward and supported Urmila for her incredible journey in Bollywood. Keeping the controversies aside, here's some amazing update from the South. If the ongoing speculations are anything to be believed, Samantha Akineni will reportedly play the role of a physically challenged person in her upcoming film with Tamil director Ashwin Saravanan. Tipped to be a horror thriller, the shooting of the Tamil-Telugu bilingual was initially scheduled to kick off in March and get wrapped up within 2 months. However, COVID-19 crisis and the subsequent lockdown played spoil sport and the shooting had to be postponed. While the film will reportedly be on floors from December, grapevines suggest that Samantha will be seen as a mute girl in the film, while the supporting cast and the technical crew are yet to be announced. Sources say that Kollywood actor Prashant has been approached for a crucial role in the film. That's all for today, guys. Stay home and stay safe, and don't forget to watch E-Times for the latest update from the Tinseltown.